for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.